Hi everyone, in this video I will solve the past problem from EJU 2018 first session and course 2. This is for advanced mathematics. This is this is part 2. Yeah, this is part 2 from question 2. For any x and y satisfy greater than 0 for both of them, it means x and y is a positive number, and this is very important. M is the smallest value, yeah, smallest value among y divided by x, or only x, or 8 divided by y, yeah. And here we can see they divide it into two cases, yeah. This is the first case is a, which is the value of m. The minimum m, the smallest value of m is come from y over x, yeah. And this is first case, and this is the second case, b. Second case, in b the value of m is come from this one, yeah. So let's do case by case, yeah. For first case, because m is the smallest value, so it means for case A, it only happen when y per x is less than x and y over x is less than 8 over y, yeah. So y per x is the minimum compared with x and 8 per y, yeah. From this, because x and y is the positive integer, so from here we multiply x for both sides, yeah. We got y and x squared, yeah. And also here we times both sides by xy, yeah. Both sides times by x and y, so we got times by xy, yeah. So y over x times xy and 8 per y times xy. We cancel this part, we cancel this part, so we got y times y squared, and this is 8x, yeah. So look at this part into A, case A. Here you just input here, this is y for y, and this is for x squared, and here this is for y squared, and this is for x, okay. So let's check the option, yeah. The m is y and n is x squared, o is y squared, and this is x. So check here, y is, this is 1, x squared is here 4, y squared is 6, and x is 0, yeah. So you choose, this is number 1, x squared number 4, y squared number 6, and x number 0, yeah. Okay, just do the same things with the case B, yeah. In case B, they say the value of m will be taken from 8 per y, so this is the minimum compared with the other two, yeah, this one and this one, yeah, because the value of m is the smallest value, okay. So for case B, it only happens m equal 8 per y if 8 per y less than y per x, or 8 per y is less than x, yeah. Do the same thing like the previous. Here we times by y, so this is become 8 less than xy, and this one also we multiply by xy, 8 per y times xy, y per x times xy. We cancel out this y and we cancel out this x, so we got 8x less than y squared, yeah. Okay, so this is for this, and this one for this, okay. So you can fill the value of q is x, and the value of r is y square, and the value of s is xy. Yeah, from here you got check the option. This is 0, y square here 6, and xy is 5. Okay, so this is 0, y square is 6, and xy is 5. Okay, this is for the first part. We already solved everything in the first part. Yeah, this. Let's continue to the second part. Yeah, let's do number 2. For t and u in the following sentence, here and here, choose the correct answer from the 0 to 8 in the right page. It means here from this graph. Yeah, 0 to 8. Yeah, they provide you the option. Yeah, in the right, in the below, like graphic form. Okay, let's continue. When sets A and B are indicated on the xy plane, A is the shaded portion of graph T. Oh, so we need to draw like this. Yeah, we need to draw like this. The y equal x squared, the graph should be look like this. This is y equal x squared, and y squared equal 8x. It should be like this. Yeah, you can check by fill the point, substitute the point one by one, and you will get for part A it should be looks like this. Okay, so let's check the option. This is okay, this is possible because the shape is like this and like this. Okay, this is also possible. Okay, this is not possible because the shape like this, not like this. Okay, this is also not possible because the shape is here. This is all not possible. Yeah, all like this. Oh, this is all not possible for A. Okay, not possible for A, so we only have 3 options here. This one, or this one. Yeah, okay. Y equal x squared, it should be like this. Yeah, this area is for y greater than x squared, and the other side here is y less than x squared. You can check by substitute the point. Okay, and they ask you here less than y less than x squared, so it means we have to the correct region is here. So this is the part of the correct region. It's possible correct, and this is they shaded the left side, so this is wrong. And here the last should be shaded like here, but in this option they shaded in the left side, so this is also wrong. So for the first T, this is the correct answer. This is wrong and this is wrong, so this is the correct answer. Without checking this one, we already know because this is the only option that have the correct answer for y less than x squared. It should be, when you check here, it should be also the correct answer is 0. So this should be 0. Okay, this is done. Let's check for the u. Yeah, the u is from B. Yeah, from B here. Okay, like what I say before, y squared equal 8x. It should be, the graph should be like this. Yeah, and the other one 8 equal xy. This is fractional function. It should be like this. So every option, including these two graph, it may be the correct answer. Okay, let's check. This is already no. Okay, no answer. Here, this is, oh, let me check. Let me remove the previous answer first. Okay, yeah, it's let's see, the B is y squared equal 8x and xy equal 8. Yeah, this is the equation, so it should be, the graph should be for this, it should be like this. and for this it should be like this. Okay, let's check. 3 for 3 different, yeah. Should no, cannot, yeah. So this is cannot, this is wrong. Let's check here, also the same wrong, because this is exactly the same, but here is wrong graphic, yeah. So this is also not correct. This is as well not correct, because here is y equal x squared, yeah. And I think this is, yes, possible. This is also possible, and this is also possible. Now we only check the shaded, the shaded part. Okay, let's check the shaded part. We already have 3 optional correct graph, yeah. Let's check. I move here 8x less than, yeah, so, and this one. Okay, let's check here. Oh, this is y square, yeah. Okay, y square is greater than 8x, yeah. So if the graph is here, you should be shaded this part, yeah. You should be shaded this part. So here you shaded this part, and here you shaded this part. Okay, from here we already know directly this is must be wrong, and this is must be wrong. Okay, because they shaded in the other side, yeah, here and here, yeah. The other side, it should be y squared greater than 8x. It should be shaded here. Why? You just fill with the point, yeah. Let's say you put it here, this is 0.2, and you fill here 2 square is greater than 0. Nah, this is correct. Okay, so this is wrong, this is wrong, and this is the correct answer. So number for the ini 7, ya. For the U is 7. Okay, let's continue the last part, part 3. Yeah. From the previous part we got the answer for region A is this one, is O, and for B should be this one, yeah, number 7, and O and 7. Okay, let's read the instruction. P is element of A, so it means the point P should be here, yeah, should be here, and every point here in the shaded part, yeah, is A, is P, and we need to find the point P that's maximize the slope, yeah, the slope, this one, y equal mx, yeah, that is passing through origin O and passing through P, yeah. So this is O, it should be, if the point P is here, your line should be here. If your point P is here, the gradient is here, and they ask you to get maximize the slope, yeah. So I think P should be here, because here you can see if the point P is here, this is the maximum gradient, yeah. This is greater than this one and greater than this one, yeah. Okay, so from the first instruction here, we got the value of P is here, okay, and I think this is the y equal x squared, and this is 8x equal y squared, yeah. Okay, you can find the by eliminate y equal x squared and 8x equal y squared, yeah. Let's say you just substitute y here into x squared, yeah. So 8x equal x squared, yeah. So 8x equal x to the power of 4, x to the power of 4. Here you factorize here, so you got x1 equals 0 and x cubed equal 8, x2 equal 2, yeah. So we got 2 answer, yeah. And this is, you can see here there is 2 intersection, yeah, and here, okay, there is 2 intersection. So this is 0 and this is 2, so this is 2 point something, yeah. you just check by substitute 2 into here. 2 square is 4, okay? 2 square is 4, okay, here. And you can also put it here. You will get the same answer. 8 times 2 is 16. Y square equals 16. Y equal 4, okay? So we got the value of P here, okay? Let's continue to the next. Point P also in B, yeah? Point P also in B. But this time, because in B the minimum is M equal 8 per Y, we need to find the point P, so the Y coordinates of P is minimized. You can see here, they want the Y coordinate of P is minimized, yeah? Here, you can choose any point here, but they need you to find the value of Y coordinates of P is minimized. So it should be here, because this is the minimum value of Y. Okay, compare with this, compare with this, compare with this. This is the very minimum, yeah. So again, this is the point P. But let's check, is this exactly the same with the previous P or different, yeah? This equation is x times y is 8, and this equation is y squared equal 8x, yeah. Okay, I think you can do like okay, I think like this, x equal y squared per 8. So you just substitute this to here. So y squared per 8 times y equal 8, yeah. So from here, y cubed per 8 equals 8, yeah. So y cubed equal 64. This is 4 to the power of 3, yeah. So y equal 4. Okay, when y equal 4, you fill here, so become y squared equal 8x, 4 square equal 8x. This is 16. So we got x equal 2, yeah, 16 divided by 2. So we got the point P 2.4. Actually this is exactly the same with this one, yeah. So from the above xy we got 2.4, and the maximum value M, yeah. So M here, we got here, yeah, is M. From here we got M equal y per x, yeah. So this is y and this is x. So 4 divided by 2 is 2, okay. So this is 2, okay. This is v equal 2, w equal 4, and x equal 2. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helped you to learn about the AJU. Good luck and see you.